Hello, my name is Grave St.Claire, and a week ago I watched a video of Rachel Maksy using one of these. Show it. So this week we're making a festival outfit only with this. And to make this whole thing a little bit easier, I have got myself a pattern. Picked this up at the local thrift store. I've never used a pattern before. This is my first time. Very excited. Also, I'm using the microphone this time because it's in the middle of cicada season. That is the only sound I have heard for weeks. Page 1. I don't know what this means. What does it mean? Okay, I think I've figured it out. I need to figure out my size. A little bit nervous on this one, actually. I am... What is it? Oh, 104. 104 bust centimeters. Is that good? I don't... Self-love, no judging, no mean comments. It's in inches. We're going to do it again. I'm size 18 apparently. And this is for sizes 12, 14, 16. I'm size 20 for that. So, 18, 22, 20. Measuring myself made me feel bad.
What am I going to do?
No. This is my body, and I am proud of it. Thank you, body, for carrying me all over the place. That's it. You know what? Done. No. No more. If you don't like your body, I don't know. I get it. It's hard sometimes. I'm like that too. But no, we're going to love our bodies today. Body, I love you. Thank you. This is what we're going to be making it out of. This as well. This one. Orange. I also got stripe. Quite itchy fabric, if I'm being honest. That's what happens in the bargain bin. I've never made a dress like this before, so I didn't know how much fabric I'll need, so I bought quite a lot. But just in case, we will do every panel a different colour. And if you can't imagine it, it's going to look like this. Hopefully. Okay, now we've got to pin down the pattern, cut it out, and then, you know what? Time to sew with that thing. Yeah, let's do that. We have got all of our pieces done. Here we go. That's a sleeve. That's a sleeve. Where are the bits? Back of one dress. Or is that the side of one half? Okay, we've got all of our bits done. Now, where's it? I hid it. Wanted it inside. It's time to crack out the handy stitch. See, I can do denim, silk, crafts, drapes, denim. Like, see that? Way! How do I lift? How do I? Oh, instructions. Oh, off. Oh my god. How good does that look? Oh my god, it worked. Chuffed. Now I've just got to sew the dress together. So I've gone about 30 centimeters, and it is starting to smell. I think we need to just get this done. Or not, take it slow. Maybe take it slow. That kind of works. There we go. I'm making something weird with a weird tool. Look at me go. I'm a real Rachel Maksy. Maksy? Well, if I am saying that wrong, I apologise. Blame the accent, not my dumminess. What's the word? Lack of intelligence. Rachel, let me know. Mine breaks down like every minute or so. Was yours the same and you just cut it out? Or am I just not good at sewing? Oh, anyone, edit in the comments. What have I done now? Oh. Pa! Didn't even sew, so I think I got my answer to that one. Don't bother leaving a comment about that. Maybe comment about something else. I missed it again. I missed it. There's a hole again. Don't force it. Don't force it. Smashing things does not help. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, what? Come on. I've done it. I have made the dress. Ooh. How does it look? I've made like pleats. See the pleats? And nothing's falling apart. This has been a nightmare to work with, but look. Results don't lie. Maybe hem it up a little bit because, you know what? I'm a dancer. And I can't be... Oh, see? Getting it caught. Don't want to get it caught. Let's put the sleeves and the collar on. Oops, no, I'm stuck.
Boy, I'm thinking about taking this planet down. If you don't take notice and come around.
A couple of things I have learnt while making this. Number one, this thing here. I guess you can take it if you make your own clothes and you're terrified your clothes are going to break somewhere. Take this. It does, like, this is holding together. But it's awful. I guess it's fun, but my hand has cramp and I just cut so many bits. I didn't even bother filming so many bits. I spent like half of my day fixing this. And before we do go to the festival, I have to make another one of these exact things. This time I just have to make it on the sewing machine because I've got to do an A/B testing, you know. What if this one falls apart, but then also I party so hard, the other sewing machine one falls apart. You'll be like, oh, it wasn't the machine. Grave's just a real hard partier. So I've got to make a second one. Also, got to make something for Kirst to wear. She'll wear the other one. So let's make that right now. And there we go, back from the festival. Outfit still in one piece. Look at this. Trying to rip it. It won't rip. Handy stitch. Congratulations. You've been okay to use. Official review on this. It's okay. It kind of sucks. It kind of doesn't suck. I don't know. Use it if you have a spare $5 to buy one, because they're cheap, but probably don't. Also, the other dress that I made, it also did not come apart, so we did not party too hard. I would like to be a person that parties too hard, though, so we'll work on that for the future. Thank you for watching. My name is Grave St.Claire. Honestly, buy one of those things or sew your own outfit. If you do anything, do it. I don't know what that means, but thank you for watching. Also, Rachel, if you ever do end up watching this, I'm a big fan. If people could send this to her, that would be amazing. Maybe tag her or me. I don't know. Don't really know how this part works, really. I'm just a fan. Thank you for watching. Love yourself. Hit the subscribe. Hit these buttons. There's buttons around me.